In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the BMW M Sport stainless steel pedal caps. This tutorial is formulated for the BMW F Series cars with automatic transmissions. And for around 150 bucks, you can find these on ECS Tuning. Here's everything you're going to need. You're going to need a drill. The Milwaukee M18 is personally my pick, a mini ratchet, a 7mm socket, titanium drill bits. I do 1/8 inch for the pilot hole, and then 3/32 and 5/32 for the final holes, and a Torx T15 bit. First, I'm going to prep the surface area with rags or towels to protect it from metal or plastic shavings. To begin, I remove the original rubber brake pedal cover, and I'm going to slide the new one in from the top right. Make sure that the rubber goes over the brake pedal and that it's fully seated. Begin drilling your pilot holes. Make sure to wear gloves as the surfaces get extremely hot. Try to stay toward the center as much as possible. With titanium bits, pilot holes took about 10 seconds per hole. Now drill the final holes with the 5/32 for the brakes. I recommend going slower, but going full speed and full force with titanium took about 30 seconds to 1 minute per hole. I saw smoking before it goes through as it generated a lot of heat, but if I were to do this again, I would have started the hole, added a drop of olive oil to the end of the drill bit, and proceeded a little slower. This way, the bits don't burn out despite it possibly taking longer, but make sure the holes are as centered as possible. Now grab the stainless cover along with the corresponding screws and nuts. Thread the nuts behind the actual brake pedal to tighten the cover. Use the ratchet along with the T15 bit to tighten. The two left side screws are easy enough, but installing the nut on the right is incredibly difficult. I recommend grabbing a hand mirror and pulling the rubber back to find it. Be patient because you will grab it eventually. It took me about 10 minutes. I recommend emptying the metal shavings before moving on, as the screw bit tends to attract the shavings, which could cause stripping of the screws. The gas pedal is next, and since it's made of plastic, we do not need pilot holes. Use a 3/32 instead of a 5/32 for this one. Do not remove the red adhesive tape yet. Line up the new cover on the right side and the top, making sure it's fully seated. You can either mark with a drill bit and remove the cover before drilling, or just drill it with the cover in place. Since I was only using a 3/32 bit, I felt pretty confident going right through. These holes took about 5 seconds because the accelerator pedal is made of plastic. Next, clean the gas pedal with an all-purpose cleaner to ensure the adhesive sticks. Remove the adhesive tape and don't press on the cap until it's fully aligned. It's pretty sticky. Once it's aligned, push down hard to ensure it stays. Finally, screw in the two screws. They don't need nuts as they go right in. Use the drill, but on a much lower speed as you'll strip the T15 bits otherwise. Once it feels tight enough, you're done. So here it is, the M Sport stainless steel pedal caps. Finally matching the dead pedal that came with so many of these from factory. I don't understand why these cars didn't just come with this anyway. But for 150 bucks, we did it, and now it looks fantastic. Thank you so much for watching my M Sport stainless steel pedal cap installation video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Drive safe.